Welcome back, Rock Adventurers. We are going to clean some amethysts now. I'm going to use the same method as before. Warm water, Dawn dish soap, and I've read that with the amethyst that it is okay to use vinegar, so we are going to use vinegar today for sure. I mean, I'm sure I can use vinegar this time. So, I got these guys wet already on accident. I wanted to show you on camera the difference between dry and wet, but here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. Alright, and we're going to get some soap, a little bit of soap, and vinegar. So, amethysts are 7 on the Mohs scale, which means they're quite hard on the scale. So everything that I've got so far, besides, I think the labradorite, I forgot. I have to double check before I put them all anything together. But these are definitely able to be tumbled with the agates that I've already cleaned. So, all right, let's give them a little swirly swirl on the bath here. Okay, look at these colors. These are really, really pretty. I'm so excited about these. These are going to be so awesome. Alright, I'm going to let these soak for a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, and these have been soaking for a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and give them a scrub and see what these beauties look like, because I'm really excited about these pretty babies. Alright. Is my water ready? Yes. Okay. So let's see what we got. That one's pretty. Oh my goodness, that one's so pretty. Okay, this one's like, I already see it as a pendant. I'm really excited. Okay. Oh, sorry. I want to hurt you. What? That one's pretty. Okay, this one's going to be a little bit of difficulty. Give me a little difficulty, because look at this big thing sticking out here. And I had to, yeah, I don't have a saw, and there's no crack or anything to chisel that off in any way, so that may not turn out to be flawless unless I keep it in the stage 1 grit for a very, very long time, and this part ends up breaking off, and then I end up with this little piece, which is possible, but I don't know. We'll see. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, I was off camera the whole time. Sorry. All right. Cool. It's pretty. Pretty. Oh. Man, sorry. Sorry, baby. Oh, I'm way off. Water everywhere. gonna have to let these soak a little more. Maybe not. That one's got a pretty dark purple. I like that one. A couple more. Yeah, I got a little mess back there to clean up. Okay. I need a workshop. In my kitchen. That one is... I love all these pieces. I love all of these. I have ideas for like every single one of them that comes out of here. I'm pretty excited. Oh, I didn't show the last one. My bad. Forgot. I don't think I did. I don't know. Last one. Alright, let me rinse these off. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. And I decided to use a white cloth this time to see if that helps. So let's dry them off and see what we got. Okay. I think this is not a, I don't think this is an amethyst. I think this is the chalcedony, or, I don't know. I think this don't belong. Oh, sorry, I'm off. These don't belong, but actually, this looks like amethyst, but this looks like agate to me. However, it could be a mix. I'm not sure. Anybody know who's watching? Let me know. I'm curious. I'm always down to learn. That's what I'm here for too, is if I don't know, go ahead and tell me. Because I may not know. Oh, what I do know though, oh, I've been in the wrong spot. Amethyst is one of my favorite stones, and the reason why is it has a lot of natural healing properties, such as it could be a natural tranquilizer. It can relieve stress and strain. It also can soothe irritability. Get balance mood swings. God knows we all might need that. Some of us maybe more than others. It also is known to dispel anger, rage, fear and anxiety. And I know there's a lot of people out there that experience that, so I think amethyst is pretty important. It's also been known to alleviate sadness and grief and can dissolve negativity. That's always not always a bad thing. So it's a good idea to have amethyst in your pocket, around your neck, on your wrist, or somewhere in your home, close to your heart. That one's pretty. I don't know about all that. Or all this will definitely be gone after first successful stage of tumbling in stage 1, because these will definitely be going for a while in stage 1 in order for me to get what I'm looking for in my pretty stones, my rock adventures. Alright, here are the amethysts. I'm excited about these. Really pretty. Alright. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you soon.